Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 or 11 mouse automatic scrolling. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your Bluetooth and devices, click on mouse, and after doing this set scroll in active windows when hovering over them, so turn off it. After that, close it. After doing this that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your update and security, go to your update history. Click on uninstall updates, and after doing this step, uninstall the last recently updates. Select it and uninstall it. After uninstalling that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After doing this, select a mics and other pointing devices. Select a mouse driver, right click, click on update driver, click search automatic driver from computer. After doing this set, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a mic and other pointed devices, select a mouse, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.